Hi students, in this video I'm going to show you how you can graph all different trials in one graph. In the first graph I only graphed one trial and so we only had two bar graphs, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can graph all of three trials so that you can compare data side to side in your graph. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to copy the rest of the data into this chart here. So I already copied the first trial here, but this person tried the experiment 3 times. They didn't just do 1 time. They did it 2 and 3 times. So we're going to copy the data from those last 2 times here, just like this, 19 and 27. And you can see where I'm getting these numbers from. Okay. I'm also going to label the trials separately because now that we have 3 trials, we want to make sure we can tell them apart. So the first one, I'm actually going to rename this into trial 1. The second one, I'm going to call it trial 2. And the third one, I'm going to call trial 3. Okay, perfect. And then I'm just going to drag this so you guys can see it a little bit better. Okay, so notice how when I did that, it still only shows two bar graphs. One that's showing from trial 1, so no music, and 2 minutes of music here. It's only showing this set of data. So we want to show all 3 sets, so let's start on that. Notice how it also changed the name of my y-axis. So we don't want to call it trial 1 because this is actually supposed to show us the number of goals shot. So let's click on that and call it number of goals shot accurately. That way this graph is showing the number of goals instead of trial 1. There. Okay, so to add another trial, so we want to graph these 2 trials, you're going to click on here, it says trace. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring up another graph. So this is showing us, you can see here, it's the x-axis is the tested group, so the no music and the 2 minutes of music group, but the y-axis is showing us trial 1 again. We don't want to show trial 1 again because the blue is already trial 1. So let's go ahead and show trial 2 for orange. So go in the drop-down menu, click on trial 2. There we go. And then we want to show trial 3, so you're going to click on trace again. And the green is going to represent trial 3. So right here, you're going to go to the drop-down menu and click on trial 3. And it's just as simple as that. Now you can see this graph is comparing the results from 3 different trials in one graph, which can be very useful when you're analyzing data. So when you're done, you're going to click Save again, make it public. And just like last time, if you want to print this out and export it, you're going to go to the Export button here. You're going to download it as a PNG here, file. It's going to save to your computer and you're going to print from there. And that's it.